everyone, we're here to show you how to make RJ45 network cable straight. Here are the things we need. RJ45 connectors, UTP cable, wire stripping tool, LAN cable tester, and crimping tool. First thing to do is to cut an inch length of the outer jacket of the UTP cable. And then, separate the twisted pairs one by one. Arrange the color of the wires shown on your screen. Then, straight out the wires. It's like you're combing your hair. After straightening the wires, cut the wire using the crimping tool. Make it sure that the wires are straight so that when we crimp it, the wire is perfectly connected with the RJ45. Insert the wire into the RJ45 facing backwards and check if you can see the end of the wires in RJ45. Get the crimping tool and insert the RJ45 together with the wire and crimp it. Do the same thing on the other side of the wire. Lastly, test your wire. Get the tester and carefully insert the RJ45 network cables. Make it sure that the lights are matched shown on your screen. Thanks!